Oh, hey there, monkey. Oh, hey there, bear. Remember yesterday in science class with Miss Parker and Miss Varias? We learned about reliable sources, but I can't remember what reliable means. Do you know what it means, monkey? Oh, yeah, reliable means that it's trustworthy. So remember, when we're writing science CERs, claim evidence reasonings, we want to make sure that we're using trustworthy, reliable, good sources. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Like Wikipedia, not good. But, government website? Oh, yeah, that's good. Do, 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 do. Oh, hey there, class. It's Mr. Beaver. Hi, Mr. Beaver. Hi, Mr. Beaver. Well, today we are going to be learning about evidence cards that are either supporting or not supporting the weather patterns unit. So make sure that you're reading the evidence cards carefully, thinking about the reliable sources, and analyzing the charts and graphs. Have a good one. Bye!